Well, welcome to fall, everybody. Well, at least at 8:31 this morning, the first official day of fall, and we'll have fall all the way through the 21st day of December. And some fall-like temperatures really today, but you know what? We still are close enough that summer wants to hang on one last weekend, so you'll see some warmer temperatures coming into the weekend forecast. Let's have a look at what's going on outside right now. Skies are overcast at the Brownwood Regional Airport all across our area. 66 degrees the current temperature. We have a northerly wind this morning, but it's light. Northeast, actually, at 6.9 miles per hour. Barometer steady, 30.06. Humidity, 94% here at the KOXE studio. 68 degrees right now. 66 down in Burnett. 65 in Lampasas. Brady coming in at 64. Out in Coleman, 66. And swing over to Comanche, where it's 65. 65 in Stephenville as well. And fall does arrive this morning at 8:31. Have a few light rain showers in the forecast, with a few being the most important part of that. Most of us won't see rain today. It'll look rainy, but most of the time not. Upper 80s, some low 90s by the end of the week. Well, Tropical Storm Beta did make landfall last night near Port O'Connor, Texas. And here is Tropical Storm Beta. 10 miles southeast of Victoria is where the current center of circulation is. And most of the rain has been in the Houston area, or between Galveston and Houston. Houston Hobby Airport, 7 inches of rain since late yesterday evening, and you can see just how much heavy rain is still associated with this system. But you'll notice that we are kind of right on the western edge of even the cloud cover, so any showers from these outer bands may try to creep in a little bit later today, but the chances do look pretty low. Most of the rain, as you'll see in a minute, is going to be over the northeastern and eastern part of Texas. We look at infrared satellite imagery, and when you see this red billow up there, those are the big thunderstorms billowing, and those have kind of weakened a little bit, so they're still getting quite a bit of rain down there, just not quite the intensity as we once saw. We have a couple of big weather systems. Of course, we have Beta that is forecast to move to the northeast over southeast Texas through tomorrow, and then get into Louisiana and Mississippi through Friday. And then we have the big Hurricane Teddy that's headed out into the Maritimes, and not to affect the continental United States. I'll be back with a look at your local forecast right after this.
Texas Bank is a vital part of our community. Without Texas Bank, our schools, kids, family, and our economies wouldn't enjoy the quality of life that Brownwood has to offer. Texas Bank is more than free checking and low interest rates. It's scholarships, volunteerism, and charitable contributions that make our community what it is. That is why I choose Texas Bank. Proven, local, strong.
Welcome back, everyone, to look at the national temperatures. We have the mild air down here in the southeastern part of the country and, of course, out west. But there's a fair amount of fall air coming in on this first day of fall to the eastern and northern states. And so those cooler temperatures will be coming our way sooner or later, but it looks like next Tuesday is our next cold front. Here's today's 12-hour forecast. Heaviest rain centered down here between San Antonio and Houston, but this same tropical system's really bringing a lot of rain up through Arkansas and into portions of Oklahoma. But again, not too much here as far as we are concerned over the course of the day today. And then we get into tonight, tomorrow morning. Again, most of the rain's going to be in southeast Texas. The heavier rain starting to move off to the northeast. 36 hours out, we still have remnants of Beta that will be producing heavy rain. Portions of Louisiana as well as Mississippi in connection with a trough there, but nothing back here at home. And then 48 hours out, again, clear skies expected here. We get into a dry weather pattern. My forecast for you today with the Santa Ana Visitor Center in the background. 78 degrees for a high temperature. We'll have a mix of clouds and sun. Clouds for the morning. 20% chance of rain today. Northeast wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tonight, mostly cloudy skies. About 65 for the low temperature. The winds again light northeasterly. And for tomorrow, 80 degrees for your high temperature. A partly cloudy day. And we'll keep that north wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. So as we welcome the first day of fall, here's a look at the forecast over the next 7 days. You'll notice a warming trend as we get into Thursday and Friday, starting inching closer to 90. And then Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we are in the low 90s. Next Tuesday looks to be our next cold front. Overnight lows will be comfortable, though, in the upper 50s to low 60s. That's a look at your weather this morning. Thank you very much for watching.